Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. There are only few things more stressful than moving with a baby. While our little ones are absolutely adorable, they are also fairly unpredictable. This can make the unpacking process especially hard on parents. So how do you go about unpacking with a baby while also keeping your little ones safe and happy? Here are 9 tips for unpacking with a baby in a new home. First tip: ask movers to unpack their nursery first. As your movers begin loading household items onto the truck, be sure to ask them to load the nursery items like a crib, changing table and rocking chair last. This will make it easier for them to unload and unpack the nursery first when they arrive at the new house. Second tip: unpack as much as possible during nap times and after bedtime. It might be a bit difficult, sometimes even impossible, to get any real unpacking done while baby is awake and active. If this is the case, you'll need to unpack as much as possible during daytime naps and nighttime sleeps. 3. Try to stick to the baby's schedule as much as possible. While unpacking the house, try your best to work around the baby's schedule. Naps are bound to get a little messy on moving day. If the schedule is thrown off by an hour or two, don't sweat it. 4. Have snacks and food ready to go. As soon as you move into the home, begin unpacking your pantry and fridge items. Stock up with all your typical baby snacks and easy pre-made meals. Assemble the high chair or bring a portable one and have it ready to go on moving day.
Moving tips.
5. Clean the house and replace air filters before moving. If you are able to do so, we recommend hiring a cleaner to conduct a deep clean of property before you move. Be sure to clean the air vents and replace air filters, as these can accumulate dirt and dust. Once everything is clean, the unpacking can begin. 6. Ask for help. Don't be shy about asking for help when moving with a baby. Just having an extra set of eyes on the baby will allow you to be more productive and efficient when it comes to unpacking your home. 7. Focus on containing the baby. As you start unpacking your new home, containing the baby in one safe space is key. Make sure that all outlets in the safe space are covered, floors are soft, and any potential dangers are eliminated in the safe zone. 8. Try to organize certain parts of your new house before the move. Prior to moving everything into the new house, we recommend getting certain parts of the home set. Areas of the house that can be set up ahead of time include the pantry, fridge, closets, and bathrooms. 9. Baby-proof the new home ASAP. Before you start unpacking those boxes, we recommend baby-proofing the new home with outlet covers, baby gates, toilet lid locks, and other baby-proofing strategies. This way, you can rest assured that your child is safe while you unpack and organize your new home. Unpacking with a baby will be much easier if you have professional movers to do the heavy lifting. This way you can focus on your baby and not on all of those stressful moving logistics. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to push the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order not to miss our new videos. You can also find a lot of helpful info on our blog at movingme.com. And as always, good luck with your move.
Moving tips.